Hey guys, so there is a lot of talk about this happening in my Luffa group that I belong to, and we are going to take advantage of this information. The Asian culture collects and markets what's called Luffa water. So Luffa water comes, this is my big Luffa arch, and then behind me I have Luffa growing on cattle panels all the way down. And Luffa water comes from the stem and roots of the plant as it is still in the ground. At the end of your growing season, you can collect the water. It is apparently good for your skin, used as a spray onto your face. Close your eyes when you spray your face. It apparently is marketed for aging, age spots, acne, and other skin benefits apparently. And last year I tried to do, I didn't know too much about the Luffa water, but I had heard, at least from this means of collecting it, I had actually taken an immature Luffa and I took the pulp. It's very wet. It has kind of like a slimy, gelatinous feel to it. And I took that and used it as a facial toner. So I actually put some water with it and blended it up, and then oh my goodness, I can't think of the word. And then I strained it through cheesecloth and a strainer. Today we're doing it in a completely different manner that was talked about in one of my groups, and then we will see the benefits and how this is all done as time goes by. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this plant right here, and I'm going to actually cut it free of the tape, the nursery tape that I have. And I have my gallon jug here. So I'm gonna, they say 3 foot from the bottom of the plant. So we're gonna follow this leader line, and we're gonna go up to right here. Let's see here, I'm gonna cut it around the back side here. And then we're gonna pull it down. Whoop. Okay. I'm gonna pull those leaves off so that I can put this actually down in. Let's cut that off right there. All right. So we're just going to let it do its thing, and I'm going to take some, I'm going to take some saran wrap. Oop. Hang on, little bucket. There we go. And we are going to wrap the top with some saran wrap to keep out any bugs or dirt. All right, hands free. Yay! Put the harness on so I could actually use my hands. And of course the gallon jug fell over. It's all right, it hasn't started to do anything yet. So, all right, we will take this, and I'm just gonna wrap that around there. Okay, we'll put it back on the back side so it'll hopefully be free of the W word knocking it over. Well, hopefully anyway. Might have to put some bamboo on either side of it to keep it upright. And I think I'm going to cut another, and probably the one right next to it, right here. Hey everyone. All right, so unfortunately we had some pretty bad frost, and it has absolutely just destroyed the loofah for the year. But it didn't deter me from collecting a bit of loofah water. So we're going to go ahead and take these in the house and bottle it up. Alright, let's go take these jugs in and see how much we got. Probably not as much as I would have liked, but it'll work. We'll see how I like it and see if I might not be able to get just a little bit more on some vines that I see that aren't all the way dried up. All right, let's go. Well, hi, girls. Hi. Are you feeling a little freedom, huh? You guys got to learn how to venture out some more. There's lots of good stuff over here. Some lettuce, some Brussels sprouts. All right. I'm going to tell you definitely there's quite a bit more in one than the other two. So there's loofah water from the first. Loofah water from the second. Look at all of this. Ooh, shoot. All right, so we're gonna have to strain this because it looks as though some bugs got in there. Not bugs, but floaties. Well, actually, there might be a few little gnats in here. So let's strain this. All right, so I've got a bowl, a strainer, fine mesh strainer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheesecloth inside here because, like I said, we've got some floaties. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this into or through, and then here's the rest of the jug. All right. Let's set this aside. All right, now we're gonna just go ahead and pour this. There's a little bit left in the bowl, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go get my fine mist sprayer that we will then put some of this into, as my plan is to use this as a facial toner and see if it has any other benefits like the Asians say it does. All right, so now that we have it strained, I'm gonna do this over the bowl. Alright, and I'm going to put the sprayer down in it. Awesome. Well, actually, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. Okay, I'm going to actually pour this back in here. And we're going to strain it one more time. Actually, I'm going to fold this over so that it catches even more. Alright. And okay. So this is going to be kept in the fridge. Okay, we'll keep it in the fridge. We will use this. We'll keep this in the fridge as well. And I'm going to be using it every morning.